when the time comes.
You want to get back into the car? Maybe. No, maybe.
I'm reloading.
You want to reload in the car?
No,
Okay.
not particularly. Birds! Are they gonna bring the birds back? That's my thing. Remember when the birds were a thing? Fucking
Yeah.
crazy.
Going up. I swear, I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get up there.
I have to
Don't believe
save
me.
it.
Look at me.
Because-
Look at what I'm doing. I'm up.
Oh my
You hit the car, you ass. Why did you hit the car?
You drove in front of me while I was.
Okay, this is for your back. Just take that. Here's a turret. We got this.